Hello, and welcome to my Dresser Makeover DIY. My name is Samantha Kennedy, and I'm so excited to have you here. So let's get started. Alright, so we found some spray paint. I think I'm going to try the metallic gold. And I already have some black at home, so I'm going to get a small one of black just to make sure that I have enough. And I'm going to use these in some combination. I haven't quite decided yet what that'll be, but we'll find out. And so I need some sort of like ribbon or something kind of like these, like a stencil or something to be able to spray on. So we will continue searching for that. I didn't have any other sort of stencils or fabric, so I'm going to try going to an actual fabric store and picking up some fabric. We made it to Fabric Land. We are going to go and try and find some material. So I think this one might work. So I have my fabric and we're all ready to go spray paint. And so this is going to be a little bit of a learning process. I don't actually have a set idea. So as I mentioned, I really didn't know what I was doing when I did this, and the first thing I came up with was a pretty stupid idea that I left in for your comedic entertainment. And so rather than just laying the fabric flat down over the drawer, I decided to cut it up and try and line it up exactly to get the pattern to go across the top rather than just laying it the other way, which created a lot more work for myself, but you'll see how it turned out. What I found out to be the best strategy was to do a full coat of spray paint on the dresser drawer, either black and gold alternating, and then laying the fabric down and then spraying the opposite color on top of the fabric. And that is how I created this design.
I can literally only smell weed, and I am spray painting right now.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.
So now I have all of the knobs and I'm going to spray them with the gold. Alright, so I'm going to let all of these dry for a couple hours, and then later tonight I'm going to try doing the lace detail on top of those two, and then we'll probably put it all together tomorrow. So this morning is day 3 of my cabinet makeover. So I'm going to wrap up the black and gold in a different fabric. So I'm going to spray the solid black with the new fabric in the gold because there's some circles on there. I think it looks like the sun. I used the same fabric for the top and the bottom drawers, and then I used this fabric that's different for the middle drawer. For the top and the bottom drawers, I used the black spray paint over the fabric, and remember that there's already a layer of gold underneath this. So it is finally day 4 of my dresser makeover, and this should be the last day. I'm going to spray paint this one in black and do another coat of the gold, and then spray paint the whole thing in black, and then we're going to assemble it after it dries. Once the drawers were complete, I did the frame in a solid black. So I already did 2 coats of black over this gold, so this is the first one I'm going to reveal. I must say, I was pleasantly surprised and very relieved when this started coming off, and personally I think it looks pretty good. I was pretty happy with it. Leave me a comment down below to let me know what you think, and also your ideas as to what else I could use this fabric technique for. So now I'm going to unwrap the gold
I was really impressed how well the gold showed up on top of the black paint. After unwrapping, I used a screwdriver to put the gold knobs back in.
I have 2 out of 3 complete, so we're just going to slide that one in. Ooh, I like it.
Now I'm just going to finish unwrapping the last piece, screwing on those gold knobs, and I will show you the finished product. And voila! We have finished our dresser DIY makeover. So we turned this boring wooden dresser from the side of the road into this super cute black and gold accessory, perfect for any room.
I got my nails done just before we started this project, and since then, this is my reality.